Hey guys, Brady Agronoff, founder of Warehance here, and I wanted to do a quick little demo showing you how we used an automation rule to solve one of our clients' problems that was keeping their orders from being ready to ship. So the issue they had is they had a Shopify store that whenever something was ordered, they had a plugin that was installed that would create a new shipping method for every single order. And they would look something like this. They would look like free shipping dash delivery by Tuesday, February 13th. And then the next day you would get a new shipping method that would be free shipping delivery by Wednesday, February 14th. So these are obviously intended to be the same shipping method, but that plugin was creating a new one with a different name, and that would result in Warehance seeing a new shipping method, having it be unmapped, and then these orders never being ready to ship. So the solution that we came up with was this automation rule. If I go over here to this tab, you can see I'm inside the client selector for the snowboard man. That's the store I'm using as a demo. And the reason I'm inside the client level is because to use the set shipping method automation rule action, you need to be at the client level. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new automation, and I'm going to name this set shipping method. And then on order created, I'll use that as the trigger. I'm going to go ahead and add a condition. And this condition, I'm going to check the shipping method name. And I'm going to make sure the shipping method name contains free shipping. So all of these three shipping methods would all match that description because it has this free shipping string here at the beginning. So now that it matches this condition, we can go ahead and add an action, and we're going to use the action set shipping method, and we're going to select economy. So now that this automation rule is set up, from now on, each time an order comes in with a shipping method, like one of these three shipping methods I showed you here, where it has that free shipping at the beginning, then it's going to end up having the economy shipping method. As long as the economy shipping method is mapped properly to the carrier connections and service levels that I want, then these orders should be good to go, at least when it comes to the shipping methods. This is a pretty unique issue that we were able to solve here. So I just wanted to demo that, thought it was cool, and I'll share more of these in the future as well. So I look forward to doing that, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.